What I wish I knew at 16 instead of 26. Bioluminous algae. Bioluminous algae, also known as glow-in-the-dark algae, are tiny marine organisms. When disturbed, they emit a stunning blue-green light. Imagine walking on a beach at night and your footsteps light up the shore. These magical creatures are found in various spots around the world. Head to the Maldives and you can witness this glow on Vardú Island. Or visit Puerto Rico's Mosquito Bay, renowned for its dazzling displays. Even in India, you might catch this natural wonder on the beaches of Lakshadweep. Next time you're planning a trip, add these spots to your bucket list. Trust me, experiencing bioluminous algae will leave you spellbound. So pack your bags and chase the glow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more nature magic. See you next time.